excited to go to my ag class.
I was excited to see the opening and getting to see the corollaries.
And what are you most excited for about that?
I'm excited to see my favorite teachers from this year and the last few years.
What are we doing at the high school tonight?
Well, it's open house, of course, so meeting teachers and parents are meeting teachers are meeting parents, getting together.
That was cool.
What's your name?
Aiden.
How's golf going for you this season?
It's going pretty good. Made a lot of new connections, met a lot of people.
How's golf going for you this season?
This season is good. I really enjoyed it this year.
Anything else you'd like to add?
I love the friends I've made. I love the coach. I love the people I've met through golf, and I just enjoy it a lot.
What did you think about Hispanic Heritage Month?
Oh, it was very exciting. I really liked it, and especially the event that we had here. I loved the community, and I loved everybody coming together. Like, there was dancing and food. I just loved how it felt and the environment.
What's your name?
Michaela, but my friends call me Nikki.
And can you tell me about your experience in volleyball?
My experience in volleyball, I've had a lot of really good coaches and made a lot of connections with my friends. I feel excited to go every day because I know we're gonna have a good practice and we're gonna laugh together.
I'm here with Alicia. How do you feel, Alicia?
I feel really good.
That's fantastic. What do you think our chances are looking like?
I think they're pretty high, even though there's a small margin.
Go Cavs!
Go Cavs!
Yeah! We got Dr. Stolzfus out here. We got our gaming field tonight. Feel pretty good about our chances. A lot of good energy in the crowd. I think we can take it. That's fantastic. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. Go Cavs!
What do you guys think of the football game?
We're slaying them!
Yeah!
Hey, what's your name? My name is Gina. And what are you doing today in Culinary? I'm kind of high. Can you tell me any more about Culinary?
Well, Culinary is a really fantastic place for, little chefs, big chefs, any kind of chefs that people want to meet when they grow up.
Program's pretty fun, not gonna lie. It's very welcoming and there's a lot of benefits to it, not just the fact that you get to swim in the heat, but you get to meet a lot of friends and be around welcoming people.
This season has been actually great because I've gotten a lot of personal records. Yeah.
Tell me about your first cross-country meet at Reed Park.
Yeah, it was a really good experience, trying to get back into the swing of things. I think I placed third in that race. It was pretty fast. Just getting back used to running again, back in the long-distance mindset.
Have you done cross-country before? How long have you done?
I've been doing cross-country since about second grade, I think I started.
How is the college and career fair for you?
Been pretty fun, a lot of opportunities here.
What do you think of the college and career fair so far?
I love the diversity of organizations here. I thought it was cool there was an electrician program here. I think it's also cool that there were universities from Indiana and Colorado and Nebraska. That's cool.